Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. Today, we look at business analytics aptitude test conducted by bitspilani. We have been posting videos in our YouTube channel about various other management entrance exams. The link for those videos are given in the description. Do check them out. Please note that all of these information are based on past year trends and were taken from public sources. Birla Institute of Technology and Science in Pilani is a deemed university with its presence in Pilani, Goa, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Dubai. It is one of the first 6 institutes to be granted the Institute of Eminence status in India. Bitspilani introduced its MBA in Business Analytics in 2021. To be eligible for an MBA in Bitspilani, students are required to take the Business Analytics Aptitude Test. As far as placements are concerned, the average package is around 17.4 lakhs and the highest package is around 27 lakhs. The total expected intake for the batch of 2024 to 2026 is 80. The fees for the program is around 12 lakhs. BAAT is an online exam conducted by bitspilani. The application starts from 11th December 2023 and the deadline is on 19th February 2024. The duration of the exam is for 3 hours and there are 2 sections, Management Aptitude section and Analytics Aptitude section. The date of the exam is on 7th April 2024 and the admit card is expected to release on 18th March 2024. The fees for the exam and the application is Rs 3,300 and the college fees is around 12 lakhs. There are 2 sections in the exam. The first section is Management Aptitude section, which is for 2 hours and it contains verbal ability, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude sections. The next section is Analytics Aptitude section, which is for 1 hour and it tests on basic aptitude in computers and mathematics. The following are the test centers where the exam is conducted. The following is the syllabus for the exam. Please take a screenshot for your reference. BAAT 2024 is the only exam that is used for selection process for bitspilani. The following is the selection process. Candidates are shortlisted based on BAAT 2024. After shortlisting, a personal interview is conducted. The performance in CAT 2023, XAT 2024 and GMAT 2023, if available, is also used for selection. Work experience and academic history is also considered while selecting. Exposure to programming language is desirable in the selection process. To conclude, bitspilani is a reputed institution in India. The fees for the college is around 12 lakhs and the college gives great return on investment. Since the exam is conducted in April, there is enough time to prepare for the exam. The syllabus for the exam is very similar to CAT syllabus, so CAT preparation will be sufficient, but basic understanding of programming languages is needed for the exam. We'll be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, BAAT and personal interview content, B-School deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.